The views and opinions expressed on the Boys Night Out Online are those of the hosts, guests, and callers, and are not necessarily those of Wusa Studios, its management, other hosts, or advertisers. The shows produced by Wusa Studios can promote any lifestyle, belief, religion, political affiliation, or other personal practice. These shows are for entertainment purposes only and might include strong themes, images, sex, or language that may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
You know what, girl? If your ex dumped you, there's only one rule you should follow. Never chase. Always replace.
In a world where sex, relationships, dating, and more sex rule the night, comes a man.
It's multimedia, more experiential, and a better alternative to porn.
And another man.
Boys Night Out is a peek for women to understand the boys. They really think that we're bastos, but we're really not.
And another man.
The point of life is to find kalandian. Start making more.
As if there wasn't enough sausage, B&O has added the likes of The Love Survivor and the internet action star, Ramon Bautista. And of course, random girl-a-loos.
Huwag pasarapin ang pagpapatikim para hindi mo hanap-hanapin.
From the same group that brought you the ultimate in men's lifestyle on radio comes Boys Night Out, the podcast.
Yay!
Welcome to another Manyak
Monday! My name is Slick Rick.
My name is Tony.
I'm Ramon Bautista.
I'm Jojo, the Love Survivor.
And Sammy G's,
We're a man down.
yeah, one man down. He's,
Si Sammy G papunta na.
speaking of our guest, we have a special guest for you guys this evening. Obviously, Manyak Mondays, meaning we have a lovely Bino babe. And I'm telling you, she's very voluptuous. And we'll get to her in a short while.
Manyakan ba yan? Manyak Monday, tapos may guest na voluptuous.
We have...
Pag sinabi mong voluptuous, ibig sabihin malaking bubay.
Well, from the picture, actually from what we posted on Instagram, from the Wusa, she looks pretty hot, and it's one of those things where when Wusa posts it and then they add the girl's Instagram, you automatically have to look at it because if it's not locked, ayos. But then if it's locked, wala na.
I like it better when it's locked.
Locked ba siya?
I like it when it's...
Di lock. Di pinalo ko na kanina eh.
Open yan.
Nako.
Open
Oo,
yan.
open
Open
yan.
to the public.
Huwag na natin i-follow, tignan na lang natin.
Oo.
Yan ang mga pag hindi locked di ba?
Speaking of Instagram and social media, Slick brought up the question is if you have a breakup, Ramon,
Bakit ako?
inuunahan mo ba siya mag-post ng photo with another girl?
Depends, Pops. Depends on the cause of breakup.
Well,
Or do you wait for her to post a photo first?
Yan, Pops.
You may take photos with different girls and different guys, right?
Ako, Pops, kasi...
But you have bala.
In-establish ko na meron akong pasisikating Kita Iha Foundation. Kaya mag-post man ako o hindi, alam na ni Girl Lalu na ginagawa ko talaga yon.
Okay.
Ngayon, ang mas kabahan sila yung mga Girl Lalu na hindi ko pinopost yung picture.
Yun.
Yun yung mga pang-akin lang.
Okay.
For personal consumption.
Hindi, posting on Instagram is because
After the breakup.
After the breakup. Now, usually, you take a hiatus of actually posting something like you're with another girl.
Kasi Paps, eto,
Diba?
pagka pinost mo kagad,
Oh, tapos is it all of a sudden na if you post say a girl that you like, are you the winner or
yan, pag pinost mo kagad, lalabas, 1, malandi ka. Pangalawa, mabilis ka naka-move on. So, wala kang paki sa kanya. So, gusto mo ba yung idea na yon to come across? Ngayon, pag hindi ka nagpo-post, wala kang paki sa love life. okay ka lang. Unless dapat may pinopost ka rin ibang fun things na ginagawa.
So
mo.
after the breakup, do you wait? Or you don't wait?
Or you just go ahead.
Or you go, just F it. Just post whatever.
Ako, Pops, basta post ko lang yung mga pictures na nag-have fun ako na walang girl lalo.
Okay.
Hindi, na parang, sige, ikaw mauna. Para
Parang kung ginawa ka na.
ikaw yung unang lumandi, okay. Parang sa landi sector of life.
Ka may move.
That's
In
right.
short.
Exactly.
Diba? Parang pag wala siyang right magalit, pag nag-post ka na, kasi naman naman siya.
Or, isipin mo, wala nang pakialaman. Break na tayo eh.
Okay.
Pero
Kung magalit ka o hindi.
kailangan mauna siya. Ako, parang papunahin ko muna siya Actually, hindi rin. Walang
Parang ano?
I wouldn't wait. I wouldn't wait. I
Pwedeng
just
hindi.
post. I just post. Fuck her.
Mas mabagay
Diba?
kasi ma-post naman
Fucking
naman
ex.
tayo, parang-
Fucking ex. Move on.
Fucker!
Yeah, and it's up to her to assume kung may something kami ng with this girl or with not, di ba?
But
Why-
but then what if you know, say she sees you post and she asks you, is there something between you and her? Would you answer that?
May multo. If she asks, then
Yeah.
I'll tell her the truth. Like, we're just hanging out. Hanging out.
Take mo dito.
Hanging
Hindi.
out. I think
For
that-
me, di ba may kasabihan nga, the greatest revenge in life is to have an awesome
Saan
life.
galing yun?
Hindi, something may nagsabi nun, di
So you
ba?
think you have an awesome life?
Einstein?
Yeah. So, if you can, revenge kasi doon, if ako nag-post ako 2 years ago, I posted the 2012 yung sa Axe Anarchy. Remember yung mga girls na ginawa kong profile pic yun.
Nagwala mga girl lalo mo.
Oo, nagwala.
Yung ex
Then,
mo na hindi pa natin nakikita.
sinabi ko na ngayon to, kung sino man makita
The
nito,
mystery X.
sino man makita nito is,
Yeah.
kuwan lang, sabihin ko lang na, oh, screw you, fuck you.
Talaga lang tarang.
Oh,
Na gano'n na. Ano gusto mo sabihin?
na, di naman, parang,
What happened to forgiveness?
forgiveness nandun pa rin,
Say
pero,
fuck you.
ito na yung kan mo, kumbaga, ito na yung life mo eh, parang wala na, ito na,
Fuck you.
no, you live an awesome life, gano'n na siya. Oh, na-enjoy mo na life. Oh.
So you're telling me that if your ex posts a photo, hindi ka ma-affected?
Never affected kasi it was been years ago. Hindi
Anong
naman,
picture ni Tones?
okay lang.
Yeah, right. You'll be
Oh.
okay.
Oh, okay na sa
Me with your ex, so if I date her?
Yeah, okay na sa akin yan.
What if a scandal came out?
Returns?
Yeah.
Okay lang.
Next video.
Okay lang, walang problema yan.
Papanoorin mo.
Panoorin ko yan.
Look at his face.
I don't think he will.
I don't think kaya.
I think you'd really get mad.
So, I slept with your ex, binidyo ko. Tapos, sinend ko sa lahat.
Scandal mo?
Oh.
Pops, alam ko na.
With your ex.
Kung hindi picture, status na kinikilig-kilig na siya. Ex mo, alam mo ganon. Tapos siya nag-post na ng status. Feels so right to have a second chance at love. Gumanon.
Or I miss this feeling.
I miss this feeling. The feeling I never had.
Okay, finally everything fits in. Or ganun.
Yeah.
Or finally somebody who understands.
Yan. Kasi palagay ko mas malala sa picture yun eh.
Yeah, that's
Ayun ko para kasi sa akin, depende na yan kung sino una nakapag-move on. Kapag nag-move on ka na, I think, hindi ka naman masyado ma-apektuhan. Parang yung nalaman mo yung ex mo nagpakasal.
No, but we're talking about right after the breakup. Like, you just break up.
Finally!
Like,
Gumanon, ano?
like right after the breakup. Wala pang 3-month rule to. Within the 3 months. Do you post? Do you wait to post? Or you don't give an F? After 3, wala pang 3-month rule.
Wow.
Ano?
Tingin ko, Pops, post na.
Ako, wala na.
Post ka na?
Kasi,
Post?
alam i-judge ka rin naman nila eh. Na, ikaw, ano mo yan, umoverlap yan.
Oh, yun eh.
Totoo man o hindi, i-judge ka naman nila eh. So, enjoy mo na. Bahala kayo dyan.
Oo nga eh.
Kinikilig ako.
Feeling ko whether 3 months, 5 months, 3 days, basta may pinost ka next, malamang mag-assume na yung mga yan. Etong may nangyayari.
Yan yung dahilan kung ba't sila nag-break. Yan kasama niya sa picture na yan.
Yeah, but at that point you really don't care if
Yeah.
well what your ex thinks about is because if you think about it and then if you think too much, parang you're gonna put malice into every picture that you post.
Siyempre, happy ka.
Oh yeah, just be happy.
Eh, siyempre, not everybody will be happy for your happiness.
Just post away. Post away na lang.
You think post away?
Yeah, post away.
Tsaka,
So,
I think in this day and age,
even if she still likes you or he still likes you, and you know that the feeling isn't mutual in terms of okay, we're both civil. If you know that she still wants you, you still post.
No, no, no.
You're gonna let your ex's feelings dictate how you
Yeah, basically.
Sa akin kasi parang hindi tama eh.
Yeah.
Ba't siya magde-dictate ng life at saka happiness mo? Kaya nga ex na naman.
Pops, alam ko kung bakit.
Because everyone will tell her.
Eh, pwedeng gawin reserva yung ex.
You must engage ka.
Kumamba.
Bench player.
No, but if she's your ex, do you respect her grievance period na sige.
Kill muna ako.
Oh.
Wala ka muna makikitang kalong.
But alam niya na may chicks ka na. Everyone knows you'll have a chick, you know. It's especially
Depende yan eh.
everyone knows.
No.
In our industry, kalat naman lahat din na
Bihira ako eh. I'm sure for you, Tones, yung parang t-shirt lang nagpapalit sa'yo.
di ba? Kitang-kita tayo na okay, it's no joke. You know, we're
No, you know what? Posting of it'll be okay. It'll be all right. But the thing is getting that message from her. It'll affect you. Like for example, okay, so sige, you post something up, and then all of a sudden she'll text you, ganon.
okay.
Oh, it's like that now. So you know she's gonna be hurt, and you know for yourself, even though you're not hurt, you're still gonna feel bad for posting it.
Saka pag nag-post ka naman, in-unfollow ka na naman niya, bigla ka na. Hindi na yan nakikita. Yung mga friends na lang niya. Ang audience mo talaga dyan sa pag-post ng mga pictures, yung mga common friends nyo. Yun ang pinapakitaan mo. Or yun ang nagmamatter na magsasabi.
Okay.
That's true.
So, may pakialam ka rin ba sa friends niya o sa kanya lang? Parang you respect her. Ano ba to? Parang may lamay, ganun.
Siya lang.
May na-dids. So, parang huwag ka munang magulo kasi
Well,
may lamay.
I know some girls like to unfollow their exes muna for a certain period. Big fight, unfollow,
Ako ganun
unfollow,
ako kasi emotional guy ako eh.
unfollow.
Hindi ko kaya pag nag-break ako parang naiyak lang ako.
I think ina-unfollow ka talaga.
Gago ako nga na-unfollow kaya ina-unfollow ako. Kasi naiyak nga ako, puta.
Ako, Paps, pina-follow ko pa rin.
Sinafollow mo.
Tapos strength of character to para hindi ko siya tignan. Oo,
Ah,
na
talaga?
parang pwede ko siyang tignan.
Mind F talaga, ha?
Pero hindi ko gagawin kasi ano to, self-control.
Ang tawag niyan pare, yung ano ko eh, silly theory ko eh.
Ano?
Siling labuyo. Diba? O kaya ay sibuyas. Alam mong pag binalatan mo yan, iiyak ka, masasaktan ka. Pero pwede mo naman siya tignan, pwede mo naman siya itabi na lang, pero babalatan mo pa rin kasi minsan masarap yung pain. Tsaka kailangan pagdaanan yung pain ko, hindi mo matitikman yung sibuyas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sabi ni Pat Guman, wrap up na daw.
Okay,
Plug nyo daw yung Viber tsaka yung Skype. Jojo.
Yeah. Viber number 0919-530-0020. Our phone number 631-2264.
In fairness, makinis ka sa lighting, Jojo.
Oo.
In fairness,
Coach Chappy
ano,
yan. 360 yan.
Ano?
Lighting nga, kakasabi lang puta, hindi ko sinabi wait.
That lighter,
Maganda yung
lighting.
lighting.
Oh
ganda
my
ng
God.
Ah, hindi, yung ano,
Mm.
yung pag pinapawisan ka, gumaganda yung kutis mo. Ganun.
Oo.
Astro.
Kanta sa mga antioxidant to ng katawan ko.
Ayan,
Lumalabas
saan
eh.
lumalabas ang antioxidant?
Sa katawan mo, sa mukha mo, lumalabas eh. Minsan
Sa pinapawis yung mukha mo.
pinapawisan mo ka Tons. Ito yung mga
Parang
bakas ng kahapon.
so parang
eh.
kilikili mo.
Oo, parang ganun.
May antioxidant ba sa kilikili?
Meron din eh.
Saan mo paki-Viber?
Pag-Viber din. Yan.
Yeah, and send in the Viber, all right? And yeah, don't forget, call us up. And we do have our B&O Babe. That's the reason why
Pasok na natin yan.
That's the reason why Samuel G was
Gusto
late.
ko ipasok
He
na talaga.
picked her up.
Sinundo ko.
So trust me, you guys will definitely enjoy this. And before we get to her, when you're on the move and need a perfect companion for your adventures this summer, nag-change ah. TDK Life on Record A12 Trek Micro Bluetooth speaker is perfect for you.
Ang summer talaga.
Now it's dust, splash waterproof, and despite its mini body, it is still big in sound. You can pair 2 units for true wireless stereo sound, and it comes in red, black, and white. Check them out on facebook.com/TDK Life on Record. And be back with more of the B&O podcast and, of course, B&O Babe.
the show, Bino Podcast for website development, software products, mobile technology, cloud computing, and payroll systems. SD Solutions provides information technology for every business. You can check them out at sdsolutions.com.ph or call them up at 576-1638. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all age, before we get to our BNO babe of tonight, Jojo, take it away.
Yeah. Fiverr.
Yeah.
0919-530-0020.
Yeah. Masasaktan ka.
Twitter at Bino Podcast.
Gosh.
Phone number 631-2264. Yan.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our BNO babe of tonight. Please welcome the sultry Christine Almaden. Look
Damn.
at Rampa.
What an
Bakra.
work of an art.
Wow.
Yeah.
Heaven and art.
Christine, do a look at us. Look at us when you walk. Look at us. Go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more.
Ayan.
And then look at us. Look at the boys and show everyone what. Oh my God.
Pakita mo nga sa kanila yung kagat-labi mo, look. Pagtitigan mo yung mga viewers. Sa
Yeah.
ibabaw, yan, sa ibabaw ng TV yung camera, ayan. Yung may red nun palang dot. Yan, lapitan mo sila, bigyan mo ng isang halik. Ayan. Yan. Sa left.
Yeah.
Left.
Ayan,
Yeah.
may red light. Ayan, bigyan mo ng isang halik. Ayan.
Yung kuha naman para makita.
Grabe. Okay, bago tayo get to interesting instruction, Jojo, ang sukatan portion, go.
Sukatan portion.
Brought to
Yeah.
you by
Ratsuba, introduce Bino Babe. Yan. Ayan.
Sukatan. Jojo, sukat. Tansyahin mo.
I think 34B.
Okay. Tapos.
34B.
Perfect.
Magaling sa sukatan to.
Okay, next.
Waistline is 28.
20.
28.
28.
Parang waistline mo lang.
27. 27.
Aray.
Gago to ah.
I think final answer 24.
Nice mobile.
25.
25.
Yan. Ibang klase.
Tapos yung Budhe.
Butik.
Nalainin na naman.
Yan tayo. Yan. 42.
Alak.
Beso mo nga, cheek to cheek. Cheek to cheek, beso. Cheek to cheek. Cheek to cheek, cheek to cheek.
Oh,
1,
beso.
2, 3, cheek to cheek, beso.
Sarap.
Show the booty.
1, 2, 3, beso. Ayan. Okay.
Alam mo ikaw, conservative ka.
Okay.
Hindi naman siya ganyan eh. Hindi naman siya
Gentleman,
ganyan eh.
no?
Diba? Okay, ano ba to? Games agad tayo.
Mhm.
Tell us about yourself
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
Where saan ka galing? How old are you?
Hi, I'm Christine Almaden, 19 years of age. Yes.
Wow, barely legal.
Ba't saan ba ka nakatingin?
Hindi, banlag talaga yung mata ko.
Sa Mount Apo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banlag.
Photo in life.
Simplicity is beauty.
So,
How did you start out to becoming a model?
From Tacloban ako. And then,
Oh.
before nagbabarhop. Ganun.
bar hop.
Yeah.
Bar girl ka?
Nanonood ako sa, yung parang mga,
Promo girl.
yeah. Ganun.
And how did you get discovered?
Nanonood ako ng, sa ABS.
Anong show? Okay lang.
Oh, yeah, okay lang. That's fine. That's fine. Anything.
Ano ba yun? Happy Piata.
Oh, did you do the...
Kinuha nila ako mag-dancer and then after 2 weeks, umalis ako doon kasi may kumuha sa akin na
Manager.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And then now you're with
Sa
Talent
modeling.
High as they manage you na.
Thanks, Nielsen.
Okay.
Ano naman ang mga dreams mo?
Yeah.
Pero,
Pero-
maging ano?
Businesswoman.
Businesswoman.
Ah, so
Now,
what business do you want to do?
Apartment.
si Tony, Papa Apartment.
Yan ang benta mo, maraming binabahayan.
Real estate trabaho niya si Tom's real estate.
Oh, si Toads, may building yan.
50% off ba?
Buy one, get me free.
Nagano ka ba ng bahay?
Bahay?
Bahay. Wala ka pang bahay?
Wala pa.
Ay, nako, Jo.
Ano
May bahay tayo dyan.
Bahay tayo sa
Sa Makati. Meron sa Homies. Maraming
Okay.
kwarto doon.
So what have you been doing since you have a manager now? So you've been doing car shows or mga
More
magazines,
na fashion show.
fashion shows. Okay.
Photoshoot.
Photoshoot. Where have you
Actually,
come?
nag-organize rin ako ng event, like fashion show.
Anong event ang na-organize mo?
Fashion show, lingerie fashion show.
Lingerie.
Sarap.
Mahilig ako dyan sa
Gusto
lingerie.
niyo manood?
Oo naman.
You? I wanna watch you.
Sana may
May sarili kayong room.
Anong paborito mo?
Oh, talaga? Yeah.
Anong paborito mong lingerie?
Gusto ko yung see-through.
Ah, true!
Wow.
So,
Kamusta ang love life? Tell us about your love life? May boyfriend?
Okay naman.
May boyfriend?
Yeah.
how many months? Yeah.
Akala ko ilan.
Ilan ba?
Pwede din, ilan?
Isa lang.
6.
6 months pa lang?
6 months?
Yeah.
Bago pa lang.
Happy naman.
So,
Happy naman.
understanding naman yung boyfriend mo when it
Yes.
comes to meeting guys like us. Syempre, may lalaki lalapit sa'yo. They're gonna pick you up, try and get your number. Ano bang, diskarte mo?
Alam niya na yun. Kasi nagkakilala kami sa ganun.
Okay lang sa kanya, ganyan ka manamit.
Yeah. Oo naman.
Tapos pinagtitigan namin yung...
Okay na okay lang.
Talaga?
Ayaw mo ba?
Gusto namin tinititigan. Magalit yung boy.
Understanding at least, understanding.
Sana ma-understand din niya na lalaki din.
Games muna tayo, pampa-warm up.
Sige.
Icebreaker.
I think we should play a quiz. Strip quiz, kaya mo?
Up.
No, just
Hindi, yung ano na kagad. Yung patagalan.
patagalan.
Don't turn me on.
Okay. Okay, Jojo,
Yeah, it can be.
you wanna be first?
If you want, I can.
If you?
If you want.
Aba.
If you want, yeah.
Okay naman, may tatanong ko ba? Okay, Miss
Yeah.
Christine.
What do you think to become a model? Gusto mo abroad or local lang?
Local lang.
Local lang.
Would you ever
Dito sa-
try out for Binibining Pilipinas?
Masyado.
What's the most
Kasi
you've
feeling ko
gone
parang maraming magbabago pag...
sa fashion, sa photo shoot, topless,
Sexy shoots lang.
Sexy lang.
Yeah, no
Okay,
nude,
okay.
no topless muna. No, na muna.
Anong pinaka...
Dahan-dahan muna.
matinding gagawin mo sa tingin mo? Para sa photoshoot. Ba may konseptong ganda?
Implied.
Ano yun? Ano yung implied?
Ganon-ganon.
Implied! Kumbaga imagination mo
Hindi kasi
na
tayo
gagawin.
model.
Implied pala tawag doon. Diyos ko. Alam namin cover.
Okay. Meron tayong game na gagawin. Explain mo,
Yeah.
Tony Tones, yung mechanics ng
Nasabi
game.
natin.
Bawal? Bawal ang strip game. O, magdamit.
Si Jojo kasi nakitaan natin ng ano eh.
O, sige, Jo.
Bumaba ratings tayo natin dahil kay Jojo.
Oo nga eh.
Okay.
Napunta sa ano yun, basketball.
This game is called You Don't
Turn Me On. Okay, so the rules of this game, Christine, is upo si Jojo dyan. So, as soon as you touch him, the timer starts. Pag may konting feeling or gumalaw yung mukha niya from the original position, out na siya.
O, halimbawa, yung mukha mo, ano yung mukha mo pang laban? Ayan, pag naiba yan, talo siya.
Yeah, if he's... Oh, yan, nag-smile, out na siya. Okay? Alright?
So,
Jo-
aakitin mo siya. O, upo ka dyan, Jojo.
Kahit gumalaw yung mata.
Oh, pag gumalaw yung mata, out na siya.
Mutoyo. Dapat pag gumalaw yung mata, wala na.
Hindi, he can blink.
Hindi, syempre,
He can blink. He can blink.
naman. Yeah, he can blink.
Tingin-tingin lang, no touch. O, Jojo.
I'll be the judge.
No touch, Jo. Yeah,
Music,
pagdating natin
music.
Yung TDK sound machine natin.
Si Tony is the timer.
Volunteer agad daw.
Kayo doon. 11 seconds. Tuturusan niyo paano to.
Now remember, we have to look at her. It wouldn't be fair if we didn't look at her. Okay, you have to look at her. You can't look afar, but you have to look at her.
Takot, grabe, parang makainin ng buhay.
Okay, game.
Baby, don't you understand? I wanna be an estimate.
ano yun? Papi.
Abi, wala pa eh.
Ma-
Papi, ano yun?
I pressed record and then it didn't even record.
Ano yun?
Yung
Ako na ba?
Yung tugtog eh.
Ay, hindi mo feel.
Naano ako eh, nagulat ako eh.
You got thrown off.
Kasi syempre, may mga memories na.
Oo, na-throwback yung...
Trauma ako eh, kaya ako na...
Oo.
Unfair tong game na to.
Ring my bell.
Chocolate agad si Papi eh.
Chocolate. Balik kalindog.
Parang nakawalang peso eh.
What other song?
Break me, tayo na nito eh, no?
Sino kumanta na ito?
Yeah! 9.6. Konti lang.
Gano'n yun eh, tumikit sa bird.
Uy, wala kayo.
Dumawala pa ba yun? Dumaplis.
Grabe, sa amin, matindi na yun.
Mabilis ma-excite yung akin eh.
Remember, any kind of feeling, sensation. So it's good na pinatapat mo yung tuhod mo sa bird.
Gusto ni Tony yun.
Ito, ma'am, ano nang asawa na yan?
Okay lang.
Pero okay lang.
Okay lang.
Wala sa ngayon.
Wala.
Wala sa Pilipinas.
One chess ka dito.
LDR.
Yan, R&B. Mga pang sexy time.
Yung touch na lang
Hindi, you can touch. You can touch.
Kasi we don't touch, you won't start.
Talaga, kailangan.
Kailangan mo i-touch para i-activate. Hindi, mag-show ka muna. Okay lang.
Yeah.
Dito.
Ito idol natin lahat.
Itons. The Mandingo style.
Okay, here we go. DJ.
Yeah.
She has to touch me.
Okay.
Wala pang lumalabas sa, ano dyan, 30 seconds ka.
Wala pa.
Dakmay mo kagad, babe. Dakmay mo kagad.
Go.
Go.
Kagad.
Here we go. Damn, DJ
Damn,
Toad.
player.
DJ Toad doing his best.
Ah! 23 seconds! 23 seconds! Yeah! Manhid si Tons!
Sa experience mo,
23
nakailang
seconds.
boyfriend ka na ba? Isa pa lang ha. First
Ilang
boyfriend.
months?
Isa pa lang yung seryoso.
She did the combo.
Anong pinagkaiba ng seryoso at saka hindi seryosong boyfriend?
Yung hindi seryoso, parang wala akong pakialam sa
Ano
kanila.
lang?
Wala akong pakialam. Sex lang.
Ano yung ano lang, walang pakialam na paano?
Walang pakialam.
Anong babae siya, pakialam?
Wala, ganun.
Ilang ganon?
Ha?
Ilan ang non-serious?
Oo nga, saka paano malalaman pag yung guy pang seryoso na? Ano yung mga...
Parang before may sinabi ako sa sarili ko na gusto ko, may gay ako na makikilala sa ganitong lugar. Tapos yun yung siseryosohin ko.
Ano yung sa lugar? Depende sa lugar?
Ay,
Yan.
Ano ba yan?
Para maanin na gandahan mo.
ganyang lugar. Kapag
Ano ang balita sa mga DJ? Ano daw ang kwento sa mga DJ?
gwapo daw. Boses pa lang.
Ito, tignan mo si Jojo.
Oo nga.
Para hindi ka matutuwa
Boses
masyado.
pa lang.
Boses na lang. Boses
Boses
na
na
lang.
lang, boses na
Boses
ng
na
puhunan.
lang.
Boses ng puhunan namin.
Boses lang.
Would you ever go out with a showbiz guy?
Or ex mo showbiz. Showbiz yung boyfriend mo? Showbiz siya. Showbiz.
Basketball player.
No.
Lawyer.
Politician.
Nurse.
Student.
Babae.
Tambay.
Lesbian ka? Lesbian?
Tambay.
Tambay sa bahay.
Okay, let's play another game. Game number 2.
Ay, marami palang game.
Oh, maraming games dito.
do your game, your
Parang laptop, puro games.
You playing games with my
My heart?
Jojo, kanta ka muna habang...
You're playing games with my heart. My heart, playing games with my heart. Ganyan.
Do we have a commercial?
Pin the tail on the donkey.
Do we have a commercial
Yung
control?
Devant natin. I-play natin yung Devant commercial.
Yeah. Let's play a commercial, and then we'll get to another game. But be talked about with Devant, and check out their Wiz 831 Smart 3D Internet TV. Perfectly clear panel and fully HD 1920 by 1080 pixels. Gives you that crisp viewing experience. Also comes with 3 HDMI ports, a USB port, and is compatible with both Wi-Fi and LAN to help you keep up with latest happenings on the net and, of course, Boys Night Out. Check them out on Facebook, facebook.com/devant.tv.
Ano lang binubulungan nyo dyan? Ba't nyo kasi share
Oh, wala ka na. Magkita na kami mamaya.
Oh, we
Mabango. Amoy pinipig. Yeah.
Bago tayo mag-commercial break,
wait. Yeah.
nagsispray ka. Totoo ba mga girl nagsispray sa bubay? Talaga bakit?
Ako pag nag-spray ako.
Saan, okay, kung nag-spray ka ng perfume mo, saan ka nagsispray? 1, 2,
Tapos,
Saan pa? So, 1, 2.
here.
Sa legs, wala.
Wait lang. Sa legs, no?
Sa bubay, wala.
Naglo-lotion naman ako. Kaya ano.
Jojo,
Set niya naamoy.
Jojo, smell her lotion.
Ay, wag dito. Gusto ko dito.
Saan?
Gusto ko dito.
Dito?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, si Jojo!
Amuyin na yan! Amuyin na yan!
Hindi, Jojo, the question is, what does it smell like?
Parang rosas eh. Roses in red. Sa kabila.
Picture natin to. 1.
Yung likod ng tuhod, yung mas crucial dyan, Jojo.
The back of the knee. The back of the
Yung the back of the knee, sa likod. Kadalasan yung mga yung bahay ni inugasan yun.
Yung likod.
Yun.
Lavender.
Lavender!
Chamomile.
So what is
Superb.
what is the scent of your lotion?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Ang layo, Jojo.
None of the above.
Lavender, roses.
Makapuno, ibang klase. Superb eh.
Okay. All right. Be back with more of Boys Night Out and our game number 2 after this.
Style, savvy, sexy, and sophisticated. That's how I like it.
HD gaming with style. That's how I do it. Mind-blowing 3D. Now this is heaven.
Yan.
All right. Okay, so our next game is charades, and it's called Guess the Star. Hulaan mo yung artista. So this is local. Also, we have foreign artists. So it can be from the Philippines or abroad. Okay? And then the winner will get to play lusut-lusutan.
Ay! Pops, favorite.
So the winning team gets to go through your legs.
Hindi, ganun ba yun? Babaliktad?
Hindi, winning team. Dapat the most number of ano.
Teka, yung pagkalusot sa legs, ganun parang
Yeah.
limborak.
Hindi.
Nakapadapa.
Kaya nga, hindi, limborak.
Ang winning team, no, dapat hindi. Di ba? Hindi.
Anong benefit sa akin?
No.
Ang limborak.
Hindi. Ang ibang lusutan to, nakahiga. So parang worm ka, di ba? Di ba, di ba snake ganyan, di ba? Ito ganyan.
Pakidemo naman, Toads.
Yan, sample.
Ayan.
Sample, yan.
Tony, a.k.a. The Word.
Dennis Rodman.
Tenenen. Meron ka ba limburak? Tenenen. Wow!
Ano sa toast? Diretso mo!
Wow!
Iipit na ako. It's your choice to look up or...
Look up! Look up!
Look up!
Look up! Look up! Ayan, okay. Yun ang lusot.
Oy, gentleman na gentleman. Okay.
Teka, ano ba?
Pare.
Para lang magkaalaman na tayo.
Walang panty.
Nakakano naman sa viewers natin, ano ba ang color of the day?
Hindi, walang panty. Hindi siya nagpanty. Bakit?
Ano?
Hindi ka nagpapanty talaga?
Mr. Steen, anong color of the day?
Gusto ko nga see-through, di ba?
See-through.
Ah, see-through.
Kita!
This is alive!
Dapat manalo kayo. Eh, paano pag kami yung manalo?
Hawakan mo si Sam.
Ko.
Ikaw lulusot ka!
Bakit lulusot lang? Wala akong makikita sa inyo.
Meron! Baba
Ano?
namin!
Birthday Ramon.
Kailangan tanggal yun, ha?
Ano yung tanggal?
Pants.
Ay!
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay. So it's Ramon and Sam versus Jojo and their team,
Ano ba
di
to,
ba?
showbiz?
Ano ba to? Limborak o libograk? Libograk. Libograk.
Sige.
Oy, ang dahil nyo nagpa-planning kayo.
Hindi, wala. Plano lang kami.
Magkabo yan dyan!
Dahil Jabba lahat to, oy. Jabba.
Hoy, Shrek.
Plano lang kami.
Yung nga rito. Mamaya tayo.
Oy, may pa-friends, ha? Okay, gaming is...
You want 3 of you versus them 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2-on-2 na lang.
Okay.
Pwede.
Go, you be the man with, and I'll do the timing. So what is this? 2 minutes?
Okay, so I'll what? Yeah.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
All right, 2 minutes. Here we go. All right.
Ano ba yung charades? 2 words ba gano'n?
You can. Are we doing the 5 words only?
Yeah, you can only...
Here, this is our version.
Okay. So the rules is you're gonna pick something. You're gonna pick a name out of here, right? You can only give 5 clues pertaining to that artista. 5 clues. 5 words. Okay, 5 words, huh? 5 words.
Parang tabu.
Mon, huh? 5 words. Okay. So let's say si who's an artista here?
Curtis.
Oh, let's say Ann Curtis. Showtime.
Ang bambis.
Century.
Jezebel.
Century Tuna.
Ay,
That's already considered.
3 words. Century Tuna. 3 words na yun, right? Kasi I said Showtime. Jezebel. 4, 5, ABS-CBN. Erwan.
Sige. Piece of cake.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Get it? 5 words, huh?
Okay.
If you give more than 5, Slick will be the ref.
Sino sasagot kami?
Yeah. Kayo, who wants to go first?
Kami sasagot una.
Silang bibigyan ng clue?
Sam and Jojo.
Bato. Pick. Okay. Oh, una kayo.
Ano ka? Ikaw magtanong.
Oh, sige.
So it's you guys win that.
Okay. Ready?
2 minutes, huh? 2 minutes.
2 minutes. We have 2 minutes on the clock.
Yeah.
Pag nanalo ka, Jojo, ikaw yung lulusot sa kanya.
Sige.
Okay.
Makikita niya yung panty mo.
Okay, the first.
Ready?
Ano mo to?
Starts.
Okay.
May timer?
Yeah. Now go.
Dito. Partner mo.
Words. 5 words.
Sabihin mo
Sasabihin ko.
Ano ginagawa niyo to?
Jojo, you say something.
5 words.
Okay, dalawa na yun, ha? Dalawa na yun.
That's 2.
You can only give 5 clues. 5 words.
That's already 2.
Gago.
Cartoons.
3.
Pixar.
4. 1 more.
Kamukha ko.
Ay!
Yeah!
No. You went over.
Kamukha ko.
No. That's too much.
It's too much. You know, 5 words. Okay, ito, next word.
Ay, nako!
Kasi ako na ganun ka lang yung ganun.
Go!
Hindi naman Pixar yun.
5 words lang, ha?
Pixar ba yun?
Dreamwork.
Babae. Singer. African American.
That's 4.
One more word.
Shakira?
US.
5.
Beyonce?
Aming negra Amerikana.
Ano yan, dude?
Mariah Carey. Mariah
Mananalo tayo dito, papi. Makakita tayo ng ano.
Pero ako siya nang kilala. Turuan niyo.
Yan na. Si Jojo talaga gusto mong ano. Ano ganun yung ginagawa
Sige,
mo?
sige pa.
Ano
More!
Wala ako masyadong kilala dyan.
And then skip. You can choose to skip. Skip.
Escape, pare.
Escape.
Skip.
Skip, Jojo.
Skip, sige.
Okay.
Over 2.
Escape.
Lalaki.
1.
Yeah.
Phil-Am.
2.
Pwede bang Pinoy?
Pam
Parang sa bilis.
Phil-Am. Taga Pampanga.
Tiga Pampanga. That's 4.
Los Angeles.
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 Pampanga, tapos Los Angeles. Kobe Bryant. Sa mo, Kobe
Ah!
Bryant.
Okay, that's 2 minutes.
Kobe Bryant.
Oh!
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Apple the up. Apple the up.
Wala kayo sagot.
Ano yun?
Okay, mananalo tayo, papi.
Ang dalawa pa sa skip.
Wala
Oo
siya.
nga.
Ito, si Sammy.
Dami dyan.
Kaya ko to.
Talo na kami nito. Talino na yan si Ramon eh.
Ano to? Hanggang
Sa
5.
matalino kami, gusto namin makakita ng panty.
Pwede ba mag-actions? Pwede ba
Shorts lang ako.
Wag!
Wait lang.
Wag na.
Pwede ba mag-actions o talagang puro ano lang to?
Si Jojo may actions, may paturo-turo pa eh.
Kaya, tsaka ganun ng ganun. Ano ba yung ganun? Ba't ka ganun ng ganun?
Ano yung ganon?
Ano yan?
Feeding the goat day.
Manyak na manyak.
Basta 5
Magandang
words.
babae.
Ang wholesome ng show natin eh. Ano yung ganon daw?
Babae daw.
Ang anong ginaganon?
Pag ganon, babae. Pag ganon.
Paki-explain, di ko na-gets.
Pag ganon, babae. Pag ganon, lalaki.
Ganon.
Sige na, tingnan natin tong ating...
Conservative ganon, di ba?
Alright.
Ito, shake weight muna.
Ay, naku.
Pang inspiration. Mamaya.
Alog-alog, kakalog-kalog.
Tapos na yung show, yung credits.
Ready? Ready? Camera over there.
Pipiliin mo yung mga clues natin.
We can switch. Back. You want to go back and forth? If he passes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
ABS-CBN?
Okay.
Comedian?
Ay de las alas. Maraming guests ba? Ilang ba? May time limit, di ba? Pokwang.
Boom. Okay, next.
Boom! Race to Lou!
Sword fire! We don't need the water, let it go, the fucker burn!
Next question.
Sige na, tapusin na nga natin to.
Kita panty! Next question!
Hindi, you guys are done. You guys won. 17.
Man, okay na. Panalo na.
You guys did it in 17 seconds.
Ha? Ano? Wala.
Ay, puta!
Dalawang pagdadaanan mo.
Okay, girl.
Una ka muna.
Ina, Jojo! Dapat nahiga kayo,
Hindi
ha?
naman pinakasobrang malayo ka niyan.
Tama. Gusto kayo doon.
Bawal daw may kamay, dapat ganun-ganun lang. Ganyan.
Ay, ball mo ba? Kailangan mo? Higa mo lang. Roll, busy,
Dali, okay, chismis.
Hold on.
Hindi! Gaganon kayo, tapos pag ganon.
Yeah. Yan.
Para zigzag!
So tayo yung ganun.
Patay mamaya. Balik.
Ano ba din?
Ready, set, go.
Pag-alam mo lang, Kurt.
Alright. Anytime.
anytime you're ready. Go. Wow! Wow! Go, Ramon! Go, 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 go! Diretso tingin. Kitang-kita! Katotohanan!
And there you go. That's the Lusutan portion dito sa BNO podcast.
Christine?
Okay. And
Can you do this?
and to exit us and to say goodbye, Christine, we need you to work out. Show us how you work out.
Just go like that. And then and then just face the camera now. And then I'll just read that. Okay?
Yung
So,
exposure, i-adjust na para makita yung cleavage.
okay, ready? Go ahead. You can just shake it. It'll no. It'll move. Go. You can shake it. Yan. Yeah. Okay. Thanks to Chupaulo. Oh, thanks to Chupaulo, Pat the T-Girl, Iron Giant, Akabiach, Wedding Boy, Alibaba, Wings, Midnight Love, Pam the Bear, Ryan Sobrang Cute, G Directs, Assman, SGH. Thanks to Acer, Patty of TDK Life on Record, SD Solutions, and the Wow!
Yan! Where the dreams come true!
Wow! The Bino podcast where dreams come true. We'll catch you guys again Wednesday. Okay. What? Do you have Instagram,
Yeah,
Twitter?
endorse.
Just in case people want to follow you. Yan. Okay. Wait. Zoom on her. Zoom on her. Okay, yan. Okay. So your Instagram, Twitter.
I am Tintin Almaden. Twitter is I am Tintin Almaden 03 1895.
Do you have a Facebook?
Ayan. Yeah, sa page na lang, Christine Almaden.
Okay. And also, don't forget, also if you guys want to reach her, go to Talent High on Facebook. Thanks to Nielsen once
Nielsen,
again,
thank you.
never letting us down. So that's it. We got to go. See you guys on Wednesday. Guys, bye. Yeah, look at that. Okay, si Ramon.
Isa pa daw here.
Isa pa daw.
Yan. Ang daya niya ako naman.
Sige.
Ang bango.
Okay.
Isa-isa daw.
Sponsored by
Lorox.